Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Let's look at today's top health news. NEET PG dilemma deepens as Supreme Court hearing deferred yet again. In a setback for the National Eligibility Entrance Test Postgraduate 2024 candidates, the hearing for the plea seeking the release of the NEET PG answer key for 2024 has been deferred once again. Even though the plea was scheduled for a hearing today before a top court bench comprising Justices B.R. Gavai and Augustine George Mish, sources informed edX Live that the matter was reportedly not taken up due to the information of a special Supreme Court bench in the second half of the day. A group of NEET PG aspirants filed the plea before the Supreme Court alleging that there was lack of transparency and adherence to the standard operating procedures by NBE, which conducted the NEET PG 2024 exam. This is not the first time that the plea has been deferred despite being scheduled for hearing before the Supreme Court. After the filing of the plea in the September last year, time and again, the plea has been postponed for various reasons. Medical Dialogues had earlier reported that while considering the matter, Supreme Court on September 20 had expressed displeasure over the last-minute changes in exam pattern by NBE. Terming it to be unusual, the apex court bench comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice J.B. Pardiwal and Manoj Mishra had issued notices to the NBE and Union government asking them to file their counter within a week. However, during the hearing on September 30, the plea was postponed as no one appeared on behalf of central government. As per the latest media report by edX Live, the primary petitioner Dr. Ishika Jain expressed her disappointment over the repeated deferments. In the plea filed before the apex court, NEET PG aspirants claimed that the introduction of 2 shifts, normalization method and change in the tiebreaker criterion just 3 days before the examination affected the students adversely. The plea said that NEET PG had never been held in 2 shifts before and had always remained a single shift and single day examination to ensure a uniform examination standard and fairness of the national exam. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.